Hello guys. So for today's menu is just pure veggies, and I made this my own tauge. I made this last 4 days ago, and this is very healthy guys. I am the one who make it. So, this is we call it mungo bean sprout. This is very healthy because I know that I make it myself. So, very simple guys. It's very easy to make. You just have to make sure that you wash it with plain water and then try to cover it with piece of cloth. Yes, tauge. Only this portion because this I will still let this grow. It will still grow. And I will put some veggies, of course. Pizza. This is my life guys. I am like almost very vegetarian now because I don't really like to eat some fatty foods, but my kids don't like this because they only like to eat fish and eggs, so I will also cook for them eggs. But this one is for me and my father because I want my father to be healthy. Miming! Sama na iring be! Oh, my cat was being beaten guys. I'm very sad. I want it to be healthy. With this one. Wala bi, wala tayo magic sarap bi. Bi. Wala tayo magic sarap. And by the way guys, I'm not gonna add any water because this pichay will automatically will give some sauce, watery sauce. So for now, I'm gonna taklo be, cover it. Patay taklo ba ito ka? Okay, cover na ito. Dali ah. Lubat ako kayo. Hinay. Wait sa. Kaya magbutang pa kukuan. Gamay nga kuan. Suka vinegar. Hello, Ate Janela. You will eat this so you will become beautiful, okay? And healthy. Suka and... Hala, what ay asin, be? Asin. Hala, nakagawas, be! Tinawa? Bebe. Okay. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. That's all for now because I need to make it like boil and make it a little bit set for a while. And thank you. Please subscribe my small channel guys. I appreciate you all. Bye bye.